Ever wondered what makes a jet soar at incredible speeds? It all starts with a jet engine, a marvel of engineering that uses air to generate immense power. First, the engine pulls in air through the fan at the front. This air gets compressed, squeezing it tightly, which raises its pressure. Next, fuel is sprayed into the compressed air and ignited, creating a hot, high-speed flow of gases. These gases rush out through the back, pushing the jet forward with a powerful force. Thanks to Newton's third law, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. And that's the essence of how a jet engine powers a plane through the sky. Follow for more quick insights on tech and science.